Hey, welcome back to Pretty DIYs. This is Rye, and today I'm going to be doing a DIY on a fall wreath. So stay tuned and see how this DIY turns out. I decided to use some dollar store flowers, and I also had a wreath from last year from a fall wreath from last year. So I just took the flowers off of that wreath, and I'm going to add some different flowers to this one. And stay tuned so you can see how it turns out.
Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream, you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day you dream. Who needs a heart that tears apart? Ruminating cycles me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream, you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day you dream. Give and take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day. Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I get what you take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day you dream, you forgive fade to black. But if I can't, will you take? Only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day, you dream like you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day, you dream give and take, only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day, you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day. Makeup stained sheets and tear-soaked cheeks, desperate for the dawn to bring back dignity. Time and time again I relapse, but love has never left me. Perhaps I should have found a way to pay it back. But if I can't, will you take? Only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day, you dream like you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day, you dream like that. Who needs a heart that tears apart? Ruminating cycles me back at the start. Time and time again I relapse, but your love is always waiting. Perhaps I can't save myself, so I fade to black. But if I can't, will you take? Only take enough to swallow the pain. Drown the pain until it all wash away. From the night to the day, you dream like you forgive my mistake. It becomes another habit to break. I'll replay it till the guilt turns to shame. From the night to the day, you dream
So I'm pretty much finished with the wreath. I'm just fixing the bow a little more, and I'm going to add the bow onto the wreath, and then I will be finished. I really enjoyed this DIY, and it didn't really cost much. The flowers was about $3 as I bought 3 bunches of them, and then the ribbon that I made the bow with, that was $1, so about $4. Actually, maybe about $5 because I also bought the little pumpkins, so about $5 to make, which is really really affordable. So let me know what you think in the comments, and I'm just asking that you like, comment, and consider subscribing and joining the family. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the pictures.